This is the question. Is this Nerf Firevision Ignite all it's cracked up to be? I don't know. We're going to find out. What I didn't know initially is that there's 2 holes that you have to stick a screwdriver in and install some batteries. I would have known that had I read the directions. All right, let's check this out. Vision Ignite Nerf Fire Throw to Ignite. Seems like an arsonist's tool.
And 3 batteries.
We got the AAAs right there.
Alkaline, not Balkaline.
Phillips head screwdriver and get right inside those holes.
Isn't it a lefty tighty, righty loosey?
Yeah, an opposite day.
I don't even know if I'm in there.
So what, a panel comes out? Weird. That seems like a secret storage spot for... Oh yeah, what do we got in there? 3 spots for a battery. What's on the back side here? That looks like what? A spot to hold batteries? No.
Looks like it could be, that's the lights?
Just a plastic container, huh?
I don't know, let me see. It looks like it could be a storage container, maybe?
That's what I was thinking, for extra batteries.
Could be, because there's definitely, I mean, it's screwed there for some reason.
Yeah, they should have a place where you could store the screwdriver, too.
Mm-hmm. Interesting.
All right.
3 batteries.
Nice. And the nipple side of the battery goes not on the spring. That's springy dingy lefty bingy. Ooh, I like that. That's satisfying. That's part of one of those satisfying videos. Mm-hmm. It fits perfectly.
So we all hope.
Looks like everything's in there. All right. How do we turn it on? Looks like we got 2 power buttons right here.
It says, throw to light up the ball and watch it glow as it flies through the air.
That depends on your throw. Mm-hmm. As it bounces along the ground. Let's hit these power buttons right here.
Note, not for play in complete darkness. Well, that takes the fun out of it. Oh, see this? Okay.
Oh, I see something.
There you go.
Let's kill the light.
See, now it's glowing.
Ooh, that is cool. Wow.
So, the only problem I see with this
is when it's
when you
not
throw
lit
it
up.
To me and it say, where's it at? Oh,
and there it
too
is.
Late.
Yeah. Spin it. See if you can spin it and just see if it stays lit. Oh, it stays lit during the spin. That is cool. All right. Now what we got to do is we got to actually toss it a couple times.
It actually does.
Oh yeah, here. Yeah, here. Oh. Oh my God, that's cool. That's really actually good looking on film. That is cool.
Okay.
All right, so we got the Firevision Ignite football, but we've also got this one. This is the Tangle NightBall football. Now this one, every time it hits and bounces, or even when it's spinning, will light up as well. So let's put these footballs next to one another. So this one's got the squishy exterior. This is very kind of rigid. This is probably good for, I don't know.
Very rubbery.
Yeah.
Better grip.
Yeah, you can get your finger in there, and then if somebody tries to come up and maybe throw the ball, you'll lose a finger. Mm-hmm. Yeah. You can't do that here.
The one thing I don't like about this football is it's slick.
Okay. Yeah, that is. Oh, yeah. Look, watch me. Look me. Ah!
Look at me. Ah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
That is a big difference.
Yes, it is.
This is very... Look, I can palm it. Mm-hmm. Look, I can't palm it.
No, this one... no.
I'm not even trying.
Ready?
We're going to kill the lights. Ooh, I like that one.
Nerf ball.
That one just looks like... Oh, wow, that's cool. I don't know. They both have some benefits.
Looks like they both use the same green technology.
The green light technology.
Yeah.
This one just looks like an alien orb.
Like, hey, my parents are gone. I don't have a lot of money for a party, so here's the party ball.
Yeah.
All right, everybody, have the punch.
You got to get somebody to just sit there and spin it. Yeah.
This one not as bright, but very alienish.
Yeah, it's very diffused and soft.
And this one's very, yeah, like...
that looks like a party, a damn party. Yeah. There's a party in a ball right there. All right, let's see what they do out in the field. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, and then we got this one right there. So let me toss this one up. I can't see where you're at.
Yeah, it's right in front of me.
Yeah, this is slip, dude.
Yeah, that's why I was like, I don't know if I...
Yeah.
Still a straight. Yeah.
Oh, so slip.
Cool. But they're definitely easy to catch.
Yeah.
And that one goes dark if it's too high. Oh yeah, you have to spin on that.
Jesus.
Okay, throw it. Yeah.
This looks like it's straight from Krypton.
And out.
This is like definitely
Look at
Superman
one
should
catch.
See, this one ends up being like a very solid green.
Yeah.
This one's a solid green. Yours is a solid. I don't know. I like that.
Right, this is right. Okay, now without hitting the camera, we're gonna throw it near the camera, which is probably not very good.
Let's get that.
Oh, well, here.
Just like on
The boxes.
Block the camera just in case.
Actually, it gets more grip when it's wet. Feel that?
Oh yeah, okay.
Does it feel a little grippier when it's wet?
A little bit. Swap it out.
All in all, it's worth the money.
It's $500.
Yeah.
You're like, it's totally not worth the money.
Not even. So this seems like it's starting to lose its luster here.
You think?
Yeah.
Yeah. You see it? Did you put fresh batteries in this?
Yeah, I don't know how to get batteries in it. That's one thing to figure out.
Looks like it was losing its juice for a minute there. Go, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
That's cool.
Oh, nice.
So the cool thing about the glowing football is, I guess there's a power button. So we hold these down. Okay, so there's a power button right there. This one, there is no power button. It's just on when it gets hit. It just, whatever completes the circuit. So that's kind of cool that there's no power button.
But problem is, what's the life expectancy? So
Yeah, I
you
want
can't
to.
change that.
So we can get in here. Oh, there's the blue light.
One's green.
And it's lit up blue right now. So is it using electricity? Probably.
What is that?
Yeah, so what is the life expectancy? How do you change the batteries out? We know how to do this one. That one's cool. We'll figure that one out.